There's some little faggot out there that owns a Suzuki GSXR 750. And I don't know who that little faggot is, but other words have it that he had just recently bought some front turn signals and would like for them to work. See, there was a problem with that. And the problem was that he was a faggot. And nobody wanted to fix his shit. But then there was this one really, really kick-ass dude. I think his name's Joe. Most people call him Daddy. And he got to thinking, how fucking cool would it be if he gave that some clear light, some flashy lights? Well, see, the thing about that is you can turn them on the right hand blinker, but maybe just that one right hand side would blink. I know it looks like shit in the camera, but it's anyway. And then, if he was to cut that one left hand side there, put on the left side blink. But for some strange reason, he just could not seem to make it happen. Go fuck yourself, fat boy. Thank you for causing me a distressing week with motorcycles, a motorcycle, and all of your other random bullshit. I have just returned from a test drive, and it took me about 8 butt connectors, and I literally had to take the taillight wiring for that brand new fucking taillight all the way apart again, remove both resistors, which were dumb as fuck because nothing uses those. I have an LED turn signal tail light on that badass fucking King Hog over there. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's sweet, beautiful, gorgeous mother. Oh man, look at that bitch. Yeah, and it ain't got no resistors on it. Nuh-uh. We don't do that bullshit. But the one thing that I do find amusing about your little bitty lights, and it look much cooler in the evening time, is that they do just so happen to flash amber, same color as turn signals. If you were to separate them and use them as left and right turn signals as well, that might actually be kind of fucking neat. But other than that, not really that cool. So let's see here. And I've thought of trying everything I can think of. I cannot get this goddamn load to come out of this seat. Corner, well, maybe it's just a brake sitting. But that corner is still bowed on that seat. I guess you're going to take your lady or somebody for a ride a few times. And, now, that's what you got. And we can go real fast, or we can go down there steady. Or we can turn them on back up a little bit, make them match down there with the turn signal. A little bit about that one right there. We can change how they flash. Oh no. Yeah. Nigga. So yeah. Your stupid ass little motorcycle. Oh yeah. And I had a fucking accident today where I spilled all the little connectors that I have left. I fully expect you to come over here and clean those up after a while. Whenever you get done fishing. As you so call it. Oh, and check this out too. Yeah, you only have high beam headlights because the strobe now works. When you click it like right now here. Yeah. But only when it's on low. Which means, what I will tell you, your headlight is off. See that? Low beam. Strobe your button. This is a cool thing. You just want to hold it down like a gun trigger and shoot people while you're riding down the road. Or you can do like one to pass somebody, and if somebody come in out of the lane, so you switch off the light to scare them, and then like right as you get ready to zoom over, you're like, and then yeah. Anyway, there's your dumbass shit, and it is done, and you can go fuck yourself, because I'm tired of talking to you, because I ain't even talking to you, but everyone's like, your shit's done, bitch. So, you need to bring me some gas, or some gas money, so that I can go drive it some more.